Alright guys, so we're leaving the Cherry Hill Mall. I was just able to go over to Finish Line and acquire a pair of sneakers that dropped today that I was, I don't even know what the right word is, because I don't want to say like hyped over. There's a lot of dope sneakers dropping in the next few days, with it being like the end of March. Air Max month, Air Max Day is getting ready to be here, this coming week, and we're just a few short days away from Air Max Day, and it's so many dope sneakers are getting ready to drop, and a lot of sneakers or people are hype over. Not that I'm not hype over these, but there was a pair of sneakers that dropped today that had my full attention over any of these other sneakers that are getting ready to drop. I went over to Finish Line. I was able to secure my pair here over at Cherry Hill in New Jersey. I'm getting ready to head back to Philly to the crib. We'll go back to the sneaker room. We'll do an unboxing review and on feet look for you. Alright guys, so we're back in the sneaker room. Target has been acquired. We were able to successfully secure a pair of sneakers that dropped today that were on my definite must-cop list. These were a sneaker I was clamoring for very badly. As I was stating on the car ride back from the mall, it was just, there's a lot of dope stuff dropping this week, and this last couple weeks of March leading into Easter, there's a lot of dope sneaker drops. But these probably weren't on most people's most wanted list, but they were definitely number one. These were the number one sneaker I needed to grab this last week of March. We're not going to keep these guys in too much more anticipation. You already know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Vapormax 2 in that gray, black, and dusty Cactus colorway. Such a dope colorway. I was just saying a few videos ago how when they put this like white, black, and menthol, almost like a Tiffany's color, dusty Cactus colorway together, that it's just bonkers. I love that they blacked out the Vapormax sole on these. Aesthetically, this is very similar to the Vapormax 1. Just a few minor changes. One, it does have a heel tab on the back. They definitely shrunk the outer swoosh on the sneaker and added a smaller swoosh to the inside of the sneaker. Couple changes to the heel too. They added like a whole heel cup. I actually have my kaleidoscope ones here. So, like, aesthetically, it looks very similar. It actually looks like it's definitely a higher cut sneaker too. If you look at them side by side, there's definitely a higher cut, and I think I actually like that it's a higher cut. The one problem I have with Vapormaxes is rocking them with jeans. So I think the higher cut may actually make these an easier sneaker to wear with jeans. But the pattern throughout of this wolf, I would say it's wolf gray. Let me check the box for the exact colorway. They're saying it's white, but it's got hints of that dusty Cactus throughout the whole fly knit pattern. It's just a very, very dope sneaker. As you guys know, the Vapormax, I can't get enough of them. They're my favorite sneaker right now. And I'm not exactly sure what the fit's going to be like on these. We're going to go do an on foot for you guys, but I'll definitely do a performance review in about a month on these, let you guys know how they fit. And if you guys want to know, leave comments down below. I'll let you guys know in the comments if they fit true to size, how they fit, and what the fit is like compared to the Vapormax 1. That's it guys, time to go do this on foot. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.